Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you are connected via AnyDesk and need to open the Task Manager or unlock the remote computer, pressing Ctrl+Alt+Delete on your physical keyboard will only affect your own local machine. I will show you exactly how to send this system command to the remote computer right now. Let's get started. First, once your remote session is active, move your mouse to the top of the AnyDesk window to reveal the main session toolbar. Look for the icon that resembles a lightning bolt, which represents the Actions menu. Clicking this icon gives you access to several system-level commands that are specifically routed directly to the remote machine. Next, with the Actions menu open, simply look down the drop-down list until you find the option labeled Ctrl+Alt+Delete and click on it. This will immediately transmit the macro command across the network, prompting the remote Windows machine to open its security screen so you can safely lock the device, switch user accounts, or launch the Task Manager. Finally, if the command does nothing or the screen freezes when you send it, it usually means AnyDesk is running as a portable app and lacks the necessary Windows permissions. To fix this, click that same lightning bolt menu and select Request Elevated Privileges. Once the remote user clicks Yes on the administrator prompt, AnyDesk will quickly refresh with the full system access required to send secure commands. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.